Cardano is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see, Cardano is testing these EMAs once again, and we are still using them as support. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that as long as we use these levels as support, we do have a bullish case scenario of possibly at least getting a wick to around this 33-cent resistance, and then the continuation or a nice strong bullish engulfing candle retesting a major resistance point here at 34. Now, as you guys know from previous price analysis, that this 34-cent resistance level is very important because of the fact that it has tested multiple times. You can see we had a beautiful V-shaped formation immediately after we saw a nice fake out, multiple rejection candlesticks, and then the continuation to the downside. Right now, in terms of a bullish case scenario, we would somehow have to get above this level, find it as support, and then a continuation. But if we look at Cardano on the 4-hour, you can see that the bulls are definitely still in control as of right now. We are seeing more and more bullish engulfing candles. This area of resistance was very important right here. You can see from previous levels, this was a very strong support level here at 32 cents, as well as a very strong resistance point. And you can see right now, Cardano is trading above it. We don't have any clear break of these EMAs just yet. So as long as we continue laddering our way upwards, it is obviously a better bullish case scenario. But if we do see a strong bearish engulfing candle, things are obviously going to change. I mentioned this to you guys yesterday, the fact that it is the weekend and we tend to see liquidity grabs, of course, and volatility, but usually on weekends we tend to see a slow ladder case up and then Monday morning a massive move to the downside. That usually validates pretty much that this move would become a fake out. But of course, Monday morning, if we do continue using this ladder case and a continuation, that would obviously be looking for that retest around that 34 cents. I'm still looking for a bearish case scenario, of course, on Cardano overall. I don't necessarily think that this 30-cent level is the bottom just yet. I do think that our major level here at 28 cents will be tested for that daily support, and of course at an extreme case here at 13 cents for a capitulation, and then I'd look to start laddering in those buy orders. Right now though, you can see that this 30-cent level really doesn't hold much weight anymore because of the fact that you can see we've already tested this level once. We had a very strong bullish engulfing candle, and then the bulls failed to take control of these levels at the exponential moving averages, and then we restarted testing these levels again, right? When you test a major support level multiple times, we tend to have a higher chance of a break. And you can see right now that this level really doesn't hold that much weight. Every time we test this level, we immediately break it. Once again, you can see we saw the double bottom formation right there. So again, on the third time opportunity, I would be looking for that wick to 28 and then seeing how the bulls can take control of these levels. We are, of course, on the overbought territory as well to keep in mind. So be very careful about entering any sort of positions here because these ranges tend to be the most choppy. Of course, if we look here on the hourly time frames, you can see that Cardano is above the exponential moving averages, trading above as well, and we are above a major key resistance or resistance point as well. But we do want to keep in mind that this resistance point needs to act as a very strong support. In yesterday's video, we did get a clean break below that level, but you can see pretty much after the video, a few hours later, I mentioned to keep an eye on the hourly. The reason why I mentioned that, of course, is you can see on the hourly, we saw multiple retests on the midterm support and then a continuation. The hourly helps you understand the fact that if we do see a midterm support, so basically a support level being created in the midterm, that would give you an idea of whether or not this move is a continuation or a fake out. You can see we actually saw 5 tests on this level before a strong bullish engulfing candle. So that gave you the analysis, of course, the fact that we are looking for a continuation on Cardano. On the daily time frames, you can see that we are above the 9 exponential, retesting the 20 exponential, and I'm going to be very, very careful here to say the fact that if we do see a strong bullish engulfing candle, we have to keep in mind that we were in a very crucial consolidation zone, right? You can see that Cardano failed to break above these EMAs multiple times throughout the days. We had a slow bleed pattern, of course, and then that consolidation where we pretty much flatlined. Now we are retesting these EMAs once again. If we get that strong bullish engulfing candle, we have to break above that 34 resistance level in order for us to stay in midterm long position. But if we do see a fake out opportunity and then a continuation, kind of like what we saw right here, things obviously would become extremely bad for Cardano overall. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.